Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to Ariful Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Aided English Version School, Morning Shift. Today, I am going to take an English first paper class for class 6 students. Our today's topic, Lesson 22, discussions. So let's see, my dear students, our today's topic, term annual exam, class 6. Subject English first paper, topic lesson 22, discussion, lecture 4, SW3, teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number and today's date. So, my dear students, open your English for today book and go to page number, go to lesson 22, Hasan Raja, the mystic bird of Bangladesh. Go to page number 68 in your book. So let's see. Subject English first paper, topic lesson 22, discussion, annual term, lecture 4. So read the following text and answer the questions that follows. So let's read the lesson. Hasan Raza was born in 1854 in a wealthy landlord's family in Sylhet. Wealthy means rich. He didn't receive much formal education. In his youth, he led a life of luxury. He had everything, money, comfort, and pleasure. At one time, he understood that all these are meaningless. He gave away of all his properties. He started to think deeply about the Creator, about life and death and mankind. Hasan Raza wrote a lot of songs, perhaps about 1,000 in number. His book called Hasan Udash was published in 1906. The book had 206 songs in it. In his songs, Hasan called himself Crazy Hasan Raja or the Pagla Hasan Raja. A volume called Hasan Raja Samugro, complete works of Hasan Raja, was also published. The book contained 500 poems and songs. Some of the songs were written by the poet in Hindi. Hasan Raja's songs were always popular in Sylhet, but very soon they spread all over Bangladesh and beyond. In India's West Bengal, some eminent folk singers made Hasan Raja's songs popular. When you grow older, you will learn more about this great mystic poet through reading and listening to his songs. So choose the correct answer to each questions from the alternatives. Number 1, he didn't receive much formal educations. Here the word receive is similar to donate, offer, give. These are the similar words. The answer will be obtain. Number 2, in his youth, he led a life of luxury. Here luxury means poverty, the opposite, misery, frugality. These are quite similar. Frugality and misery are the same, similar words. And the answer will be extravagance, means luxury. Number 3, he started to think deeply about the Creator, about life and death and mankind. Which of the following words is not a synonym of the word deeply? So which one is not a similar word of the word deeply? Intensely, similar words, profoundly, acutely, similar words of deeply. So opposite is lightly. Opposite of deeply is lightly. Number 4, he had everything, money, comfort and pleasure. The term pleasure means displeasure, opposite of pleasure, joy, or similar of pleasure, pain, sorrow. The term pleasure means here. So pleasure means here displeasure, pain, sorrow. About the opposite, joy is the similar words. Pleasure means joy, delight. So we're moving to next page. Number 5. But very soon they spread all over Bangladesh and beyond. What does spread means? Extended, folded, restricted, closed. Spread means extended. Number 6, in India's West Bengal, some eminent folk singers made Hasan Raja's songs popular. Which of the following words has opposite meaning of the word eminent, opposite of eminent? So well-known, similar, renowned, similar, celebrated, similar, disreputable is the opposite of eminent. Number 7, he passed his childhood, poverty, luxury, misery, crisis. So he passed his childhood in luxury. Number 8, he started to think deeply about the Creator, life, death and mankind. So the answer will be all the above. Hasan Raja's songs were very unpopular, unfamiliar, favorite, this line. So Hasan Raza's songs were very favorite. Number 10. Hasan Raza was born in 1854 in a wealthy landlord's family in Sylhet. Here the word wealthy is similar to humble, modest, poor, well-off. So wealthy means well-off, solvent, rich. He didn't receive much formal education. Here formal means institutional, unconventional, casual, informal. So formal means institutional. He had everything: money, comfort and pleasure. Which of the following word is not a synonym of the word comfort? Which of the following words is not a synonym of the word comfort? So ease, relief, coziness, similar words of comfort. So distress, sorrow, this word is not a similar word of synonym of comfort. So my dear students, your SW will be SW 3 submitted on Saturday. Lesson 22, exercise B1. This is exercise 22 B1. These are the 5 questions. B1, lesson 22, exercise B1. Answer the following questions. When was Hasan Raza born? Where did he came from? Number C, what was his childhood like? Number D, why did Hasan Raza live the life of comfort and pleasure? What was the other name by which Hasan Raza was known? So that's all today, my dear student. Do your assignment SW at home and submit on Saturday. Keep practicing at home. Stay safe home, stay safe. Thank you for watching this.